Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp Meta AI not working problem on iPhone. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Update your WhatsApp. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. Type WhatsApp into the search bar. Tap on WhatsApp Messenger. Update your WhatsApp. Solution number 2. Offload WhatsApp. Open the Setting app and tap on General. On the General page, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll up, tap WhatsApp, tap Offload app and confirm. Now reinstall app. Solution number 3. Restart your iPhone. iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13 or later. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Thanks for watching this video.